things are just different. So much have changed. You said you love me, but it's just not the same.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Another day, another vlog. As you can see, me about to left the hotel where me that stay from me there. Think me there about 1 week now. Me there at the hotel. I mean, not lie. It kind of lame now, cause through me I vlog so much. Me wake up and me alone. Me I come home and me alone. So me I gotta try stay with my friend them for a couple of days while me there. Me I spend couple of days with Nice, couple of days with Dante. Cause I live in an area, you see me where I want to shoot. And I think it makes sense. Instead of I spend a bag of money. You see me? So me I check out today. And I tired of freak, me not lie. Last night me go out to try promote the event, dinner and a movie. And I like Florida. The cold make you more extra tired. Me not lie, but me I fight it. You see? And a coffee me I drink a green tea. Me tell you know what I go on too. You know say me book on Airbnb. Only if you find out say the Airbnb want $200 deposit plus $50 a day. Some of them Airbnb are thief in New York. The woman want $50 a day. Me have to cancel it. Only if you find out say they no do refund. So me out of $400 right now. Me not cap food no. Me vex your fuck. Me out of $400 half hour fuck up mistake. I didn't read the description fully, to be honest with you. I would just wanted to know I could have guests over there and all of that, and I book it. I book it for 4 days. You see me, so I don't know. $100 a night. I really 400 and something he come up to. I lose a whole lot of money there. Hurt your fuck. Nah, like, I don't want to lose no money while I'm there. I don't print the ticket them yet. But ticket I sell, Eventbrite. You know, click the link in the description down there. So. Me just vex me waste $400 car. Me call Airbnb and they say then don't do refund. Worse if them have no refund in the something. Me vex man. Want call me bank, but when me da call Airbnb, them say this line is being recorded. I don't want to go to jail for scamming. So me hurt. Me go smoke and vex. Me go call my daughter. So me soon link up back with you know. Look more. So vlog world, what go on? You know a mad move.
Yes.
We're there in the Bronx, White Plains Road. You don't know I got to link my boy Andrew.
Best of the best.
No for no say Dante name Andrew too, you know, just like me. Two with him Andrew.
For real.
But we call him Dante. We're in the building, you don't know, we come give Dante a link.
Yes.
He was here working and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Working on a big project, guys, on stay tuned. He might only pass up me my work on perfume. But on stay tuned. He might go drop a game soon, a free game one can play. Una go see it in my vlog them when it drop. When it release, una go see it. You see me?
Yeah,
When
so
I work
we got
on a bunch of
kids
things.
that are into like fighting games. For us older folk, you remember Punch Out on Sega Genesis, boxing game. So it's something you can download on your cell phone and play. Real dope game. But check it out, it's coming soon.
Yeah man, him have him own game a release, you see me? And apart from film, I don't know my part with everybody who make films and contents and all of that. Him have a movie, Butterfly. Coming out soon. So stay tuned for that too, you see me?
Yeah, those are like, you know, dance movies like Save the Last Dance, You Got Served, etc. Good movie like that, but with a real different story, a real good story, especially for people that live in a single parent immigrant home. You know us, big up my Jamaicans. We come out foreign and make enough money. Yeah.
Ice.
So yeah, real good movie like that. Stay tuned.
Yeah man, a mad thing. Whole heap of things in the work. You don't know the New York crew lit and loud, and we're gonna get this work done. So I'm just gonna stay tuned as we did for the vlog.
Bless.
I left me DJI vlog camera, so we are using phone. You don't know iPhone 16. Puta! Maricon! Shit!
Basura!
Maricon! Oh mama, sorry mommy. Oh old lady, oh god.
Mucho feo.
See.
El burro.
Are you so? I don't know where I go. But today me and Buba do road. Me just record one little freestyle on the Shake It to the Max with him. Me want them to play a little piece, me then hear it and tell me what they think.
Fine, wait, copyright, you're good.
Alright, here 30 seconds, yeah?
Now when you hear the song, shake it to the max. Body cock up your titty, no dey pa your lap. Tell the DJ turn up his sound in the box. Go down pa your knee, me no hear nothing crack.
Me and Boa dey on the chat, we are go link on our way. Friend them. I guess he might do a little kickback at him crib. Nothing too big. So just go there and all our vibes, you see me? And thing. So you don't see it you, mad up on yourself.
Did I take a bus?
Yeah, I'm flag it.
Why? You have to take no bus, you. Check you.
That's true.
Don't get safe return.
Get to you, all out. Now you know about here, your mouth. So flag world, you don't know him mad free. We reach over a crib and I will vibe. They're from England. Where from England y'all from?
London, South London.
South London in the building, crikey. You should have said that. But we there all our vibes and thing. We so forward back. So flag world. She look cute. Whoa! Whoa! So flag world, as me say we there all our vibes. We're about to play a card game right now. It named
Bad Choices.
Bad Choices. We're probably going to make some bad choices by the end of this night. So let's see. We're drinking a whole bottle of Hennessy. You two, please don't flag me. It's right there. The biggest bottle in Hennessy. Famous look like him gone already. But, alright, so we are going to play bad choices right there. And thing. You don't know it's game night. So let's see. So guys, I'm going first.
And what do you do? Give it to the person.
I want you to read it because your British accent.
Have you ever looked through someone's wallet while they were out of the room?
That's gay. I'm not going through no man wallet.
You never say man, they say someone.
Me ever go in a girl purse? I think I did. I stole $20 one time. I did. No, never going in nobody purse yet. I was dead broke. I had to. Alright, who next?
You made the choice. What is?
Who next?
No.
You go down here. No, you go down here. Yeah.
It's you.
No, you. It's you.
Yeah,
It's you.
It's you.
Oh, it's
Sounds
me.
like you're from Baltimore.
Have you ever been punched in the face?
Wait, so if you never do it, you have to drink?
Oh.
I have. So I'm
Me say, if a boy ever told me in my face.
Okay.
Then I give it a story then.
Hold on, so if
What happened? You got into a fight
Oh yeah, it was a fight.
with some girls?
Many fights.
You make a girl.
Oh, you fight a lot.
I've fought before.
You look like a fighter.
Alright, people there. God damn.
Would you rather be rich in the year 1800 than poor today?
What you say?
I don't want to be poor at all.
So,
Rich in the 1800 you with the British accent. The 1800 with the British accent.
Yeah.
Alright, Jason, your turn.
Oh, damn.
Poor at all, never.
where's my phone? That's strange.
Oh, double tap.
have you ever lied in your resume?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Everybody lied on them resume before.
I never did.
Your turn. Your turn,
I
yeah.
never lied on my
Your turn.
resume before.
I have.
Me
Tell me
lie.
the truth.
Me I get boss position to make ice cream. I don't know if to make ice cream.
Not that true.
Famous know too.
phone. Am I phone?
It's in the box.
Somebody phone
It's
already.
in the box.
Never mind.
Oh, that's your phone?
Yeah, it's fine.
Hello?
Say, would you amputate one of your fingers for 50 grand?
Yeah, of course. Me no need all of them. You can't take the pinky out.
That's not
Me
enough.
no use my pinky do nothing. Where is the pinky do? Hold up when you drink tea? British.
You gotta put
British.
ice on the finger.
I don't drink tea.
Alright, so famous your turn.
Oh, chocolate tea then.
Chocolate tea.
Pass my one. Jesus Christ, you gonna make them seats and put me.
No, me not make them see it. Me not make them see it.
Are you a good person to call for relationship advice? Of course.
Lie.
I always have the right things to say.
Alright, so my turn
You're
again.
a therapist on the side for true though.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, my
Anybody
turn
can go
now.
through anything.
Alright.
At night and they can link me up.
Have you ever had sex with someone within an hour of meeting them? No, me never do that yet. That's too quick.
Within an hour.
Have you ever had sex with someone within an hour of meeting them?
Does buying count?
Me coulda tell you by front, you know, but me not say nothing.
Spend your money good and foreign.
Rich.
Yes.
Millionaire.
What you say, yes sir? Read it. What you say? No, read it. Do you think you would be the best stripper in the room?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think she would be.
Why?
Yes.
Why do you think that?
Who wants to challenge me?
No, if anyone down there back it up.
You have to show them why.
I have the video evidence.
Let me pause
No, you
this.
have to show them why.
Would you rather be rich than happy? Yeah.
Or be rich.
Why you get the rich on them?
Because I'm meant to be rich.
Mademoiselle.
You're meant
Yeah.
to be rich.
Mademoiselle.
Would you give up eating chocolate forever for 20,000?
Me never eat chocolate. Me poop it.
Yeah, what kind of question? Give me some hard average.
Yeah, your
Yeah,
turn.
eat chocolate.
Famous, when me take up your one for now. Me never not make them see.
Don't make nobody see it.
Alright.
Nobody me judge.
Nobody. Nobody.
Hey, you can't give me this. What video man now?
I know me, you can't shuffle. Alright, your turn. What?
It said, have you ever fallen for a scam?
Yeah,
Yes,
regular.
last week.
Regular. They almost scamming for this.
No, you can't count that because I get back the money.
But you still
They almost scamming for this. Alright, Famous, your turn.
No, give me one.
Have you ever masturbated on a plane?
Up in the sky,
Me press the button and stop record. Me no know if me catch it.
Up in the sky,
Me never back me fist in a plane yet. Alright.
Yo,
Hold on. We are give Famous our next
take
card.
yourself to the My Life Club.
Me we give you our next.
I can't remember it. It means some if you pick somebody and when I feel them turn them draw 2 card.
Oh.
So when it's my turn, I draw 2.
So my turn now.
I have to pick
Until you
somebody.
pick
When
someone.
I feel your turn now, when I hear your turn, you have to do 2 cards.
No, me no want this.
I didn't look at it.
Do you think you would give the best lap dance in the room? No. Fuck no. I don't think so. I'm
now-
not made out like
So now I
that.
have to, would you keep working at your current job if you won a year's salary in the lottery?
Never.
Yes.
They're gone. Florida, vacation.
I would keep working.
Wait, can I ask what was your next job? What was your job?
That's my job.
Yeah. In England? Alright, we're not gonna tell them.
This says choose one player to draw an extra card. I'm giving it back to you. So
Oh, when am my turn?
This knife.
Don't show me card.
Alright. Me not show it no more.
Would you accept $20,000
You're most rich. You.
but
money.
but a loud family of hyenas wake you up 3 times a night for a year? Yes?
Yeah.
Every night I be laughing.
Only 1 year.
That's
Only
fine.
1 year. That's easy.
Mademoiselle, that's what showers I get this.
Choose one player to skip the next turn.
Pick one night girl, let me know. No pick no night girl, them. No, me say no pick no night girl, them. Pick somebody else to skip.
We do a Famous.
What the fuck?
He still has to pick up 2 cards
Yeah.
for the next turn.
No, skip.
No, he must be pick somebody if you pick up 2
Guys,
cards.
skip him now.
Choose one player to draw one extra card.
Yo, I see him carry them up, come over. Get back to her for a minute, please. We cash up your thing. Give it to her. She just give me one.
Nah, man. It's your girl.
Okay.
Courtesy of Famous.
No.
Choose one player to skip their next.
I cut the pack.
Wait, hold on.
Jason, may I skip
Who you
you?
pick up?
May I skip you?
Oh, yes.
May I skip you?
This is bullying.
No, but
Yeah, 2 you have to draw.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2.
He just
Draw
gave
2
you
for your mistake.
No.
You start playing now.
There's a 3 now, and I have one more.
Have you ever had more than 15 drinks in one night?
You probably never even know, cause you're drunk after
I
5.
don't think so.
You're probably drunk after 5.
That's alcohol poisoning.
No?
15 enough.
For one liquor you drink NSC 15 cup? No?
You're
You're
dead.
drunk by the first 10.
No, by the first 5.
What?
By the first 5.
Enough that, you know?
Yeah, 15
Alright,
no.
this card says, do you have a sexual fetish? No.
You lying, I don't
I
believe
don't.
that.
Everybody at English have a fetish.
Yeah.
What?
Cup
You
of tea.
Americans have fetishes.
I'm not American, I'm Jamaican. You're depressed.
Would you drink a gallon of water from a public toilet bowl for $100,000? God forbid, never.
Like 1 glass?
Never, no.
100,000 pounds.
That's a life changer.
No.
Yo, here we go. You can't take herb medicine and deworm your body after.
A public.
100,000.
A pub. I don't even drink tap water.
You drink enough water when you don't know where they
That's
come
true,
from.
because she asked them when we go there, she said, is this from the pipe or is it from the bottle?
We didn't drink
Oh.
it.
It's disgusting.
The ladies-
man. And you want me to drink it from a public toilet?
Next. Jesus.
Oh, he skipped his one. You gave him a skip.
Oh, Ross, me skip it.
Aaron.
Come.
My turn again. See what I'll go.
Yeah, work your camera good now.
Is it okay to cheat on your partner if they gain 100 pounds? Well, if you have 200 and you got 3,
That count. That count.
no.
You next card.
If you were broke and desperate, would you become a prostitute?
What?
When you give me the best for brother?
Sugar mama, sugar mama.
Nothing.
Sugar
Gigolo,
mama.
nothing.
Sugar mama.
So you stay broke then?
Sugar mama.
Go a way. Where there's a will, there's a way.
No man, why me a lick? It's a would you lick a homeless person feed for 10,000? Me see that card here already today, you know. Do you masturbate more than you have sex?
Yeah.
No, me get pum pum regular, you know. So, what is it?
Have you ever had sex with a co-worker? No.
Boy, if me get the chance to fuck someone like work at the ice cream shop there, I probably would have did it. No. Oh, what more, Vernon?
Hear him.
Him know it.
Things are just different. So much have changed. You said you love me, but it's just not the same.